Let's understand the depth ControlNet. To begin, I searched for a modern luxury house. And I think I can take any image from here for the demo. My preference will be an image which is not edited or a fresh 3D structure you might have come up with. I will be improving one such image. Let me download this image. The image is small, but I can upscale the image in Krita AI Diffusion. So, inside Krita, I will open the downloaded image. The image size is 626 by 417 pixels. I will change the image generation functionality to Upscaler. Style used is the one I created for testing, and the checkpoint is Juggernaut XL. I will upscale the image by twice, and now the image is 1252 with a height of 834 pixels. I saved the image and opened a new project in Krita with a canvas size similar to my upscaled image. This is the upscaled image property I was referring to for the canvas size. So, I will drag the image and this option comes automatically. I choose to insert as new layer. In the Layers section, we have the below two layers by default. And this house.jpg is the image we added just now. Before we proceed further, make sure you have the correct ControlNet. Go to the Configuration, then Connection. Under Stable Diffusion 1.5. ControlNet Depth, if not installed, then check the box here and there will be an Install button here. Next, I will select the style as a cinematic photo. You can choose different. This style was created with the installation. Now if you saw the previous video on Krita AI Diffusion, this strength if kept below 100 gives an option to refine the image. This will be a scenario where you may try to improve a raw captured image, or one of your new 3D designs. In such cases my prompt will be like, modern villa, glass window, outdoor pool, tree grass and bushes, clean architecture. My prompt words are basically what I can see in the existing image and anything I want to add. I will click Refine to improve my 3D design. Some part of the fencing is gone and the garage door is turned into a window. The design got changed. The walls in the front are different. The fencing is completely gone. So, you got the point. Keeping the strength at 70% for Refiner will change the image. Making it below 70 will limit the change in the object, but it will also decrease the refinement. I will make the strength to 100 and will not be using the refiner now. I will use the ControlNet instead. Scribble is selected by default. Change it to depth. In the Layer section, on the top you will see the disabled layer. And below we have home.jpg. Make sure the ControlNet is at the original image. In my case it will be home.jpg. Let's generate and see the result. This is almost identical to the original house. The walls and the windows are at the exact position. The garage is missing, but I can fix that. The extra tree and grass here are based on the prompt. So, extracting the depth of an object and using the information to generate a new image does keep the object in its original shape. We got the garage back. You can definitely describe the kind of color you want on the house, but a single color throughout the house. You can't just ask for a different color on each side of the house. The prompt has some limitations. I made some videos on how to prompt for a stable diffusion checkpoint. I think I should make a refresh on Krita AI Diffusion prompts. The garage is missing in one image out of 5. That's not quite frequent. I generated multiple images, and some of them had problem with the garage or the driveway. There is a lawn on the driveway. This is perfect. So, let me disable the AI-generated image layer. Back to the original image. This is how it is supposed to be. In the second layer, I have grass in the driveway. There are a couple of images with the wrong driveway. To fix this problem, I will disable both the layers and be on the original image. From the left, I will use this polygonal selection tool. I will select the area, zoom in to keep it visible. Before selecting, I will add a new layer. The image is visible through the new layer. Now, with the help of a selection tool, I will select the area disappearing in the new image. Next, I will paint this area. I will need a color palette for that. Color doesn't matter much. Just for my reference, I will have a color similar to white and muddy. Then, with the help of a fill tool, I will fill the color. Let me name the layer in the property, so it does not confuse you. I named this layer as driveway. Next, the swimming pool looks a bit different. Something is wrong with the reflection. I will add a new layer for swimming pool. And again, with the help of polygonal selection tool, I will select the pool area. Add color with the fill tool. Go to the properties and rename the layer as pool. I hope it is clear to you guys. The color palette is not needed. The AI section is missing, and I will get it from the Settings, Docker, and AI Image Generation. Now, if I hover the mouse on the pool layer, you can see the colored pool area as a thumbnail. Similarly, the driveway layer with some gray color patch. This pool area is still selected. Deselect it from the top left menu. Both the layers are on the top of the original image layer. I edited the prompt, removed most of the things. You can specify the prompt as you want. Next, I will make sure to select the new layer, like this driveway, and then click this Add Region. You can see we got a section in the prompt, with a title, Driveway. Below is the main prompt for the entire image. On top I have a prompt for the specific region, the driveway. I will type a prompt, white creamy floor for the driveway. Again, I will select the pool layer and add a region. An outdoor pool, what else? Illuminated with lights. Now I may get dark images because I asked for illuminated lights. The AI will give nighttime images. To make the overall image and align the prompt, let me specify a warm light. It gives an evening or nighttime effect. Let's generate. So, that's our illuminated pool. I generated a few images, and noticed the garage door was missing. It is present in the third image. In such a case, you may again need to add a layer similar to the driveway and pool. This selective approach will work. The house is similar to the original, and at the same time it looks completely different. You can try similarly. I searched for 3D models, like this. Actually, I was expecting the gray color models you normally see in Blender images. I do not have those skills, but such 3D models can be used here. Now this is an upscaled image. I already showed about upscaling. These 3D models can be used with a prompt to generate realistic images. Like this one, with a similar pose. The 3D character can be colored if you use a 3D checkpoint or prompt. Such result can be presented the way a creator imagines while working. You just need to use the depth ControlNet. You can generate anime characters with the exact pose. Asking for a portrait by giving a full body for reference, you may see extra heads like this. You have to work on your prompt, increase weights in the prompt to get your specific result. Hope the video was helpful. I am not a digital creator, so this was the use case I assumed could be. Let me know what should be next in Krita AI Diffusion.